let's start our class by chanting Omkaram. Join your hearts and close your eyes, beta. Sai Ram.
Sairam.
Sairam ma'am. Sairam ma'am.
Okay, let's wait for others to come. Okay, anyone of you have prepared the speech or the story?
Yes, ma'am. I have
narrative story?
prepared. Ma'am,
Anyone?
I have prepared. Ma'am, I
Very
have
good.
also prepared. Ma'am, I have prepared the story.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have speech. Akshita. Ma'am, I also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have prepared the story.
Sai
मैम
Ram.
हमें स्पीचेस
Sai
सुनी
Ram.
तो मैम हमें किसी एक को ही करना है.
हाँ, रिद्धिमा.
मैम वो जो आपने दो एक्टिविटीज दी थी क्या उन
रिद्धिमा,
दोनों में से
what's your
हमें एक ही
doubt,
करना
बेटा?
है. मैम जैसे जो आपने दो एक्टिविटीज दी थी क्या
हाँ,
उसमें से
किसी
हमें
एक
एक
को.
ही करना है.
हाँ बेटा, only one you have to do. Either story or speech. Okay? Anyone. Okay. Let others also join. Let us start with this speech and all. देखते हैं किस किस की रेडी है. अच्छा, पहले पोएम ही कर लेते हैं. एक आध पोएम हो जाएगी. ओके.
मैम मैंने स्पीच
मैम, मैंने वर्ड
क्योंकि अभी
चार्ट भी
14
याद कर लिया,
स्टूडेंट्स हैं.
स्पीच भी रेडी कर ली.
वाह,
I
वेरी
also
गुड.
learned the water track.
Advika. Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Advika.
Can I tell first? Yes, ma'am.
Have you learned the poem, beta?
Yes, ma'am. I have learned.
Anshuman. Okay, Anshuman, wait. Okay, come on. Then we'll be doing this only. Let others also come. Then I'll send Google form. Okay, the link of the Google form.
मैम
Okay. You can start, beta. Huh.
Ma'am,
You can start. Yes.
can I see? Oh, yes, ma'am. Early in the morning or the evening hours are the times to water every kind of flower, watering at the noonday when the sun is high. Doesn't help the flowers, only make them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flower keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them. Then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet.
Wow, great. Yes. Advita.
Yes, ma'am.
Advita, are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on. Yes.
Early in the morning or the evening hours are the time to water every kind of flowers. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only make them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. The flowers will have water on for their thirsty feet.
Yeah. Well done. Good. Aishwarya is present? No. Ajay? Have you learned? Ajay? Ajay? Ajay, have you learned the poem? No answer, no reply. Where are you, beta? Huh? You can say yes or no. What is this? Hmm? Shall I put absent, Ajay? Shall I put absent? आई एम पुटिंग absent mark then.
मैम में है।
हाँ है बेटा, दिखाई दे रहा है, बट ही इज नॉट ओपनिंग हिज माइक। देखो अभी क्लास में होते तो कोई छुप नहीं सकता था, है ना। अभी उनको पता है कि मैम क्या कर लेगी, हम आंसर नहीं भी देंगे तो, बट ये नहीं पता कि यहाँ 0 डलेगा, फिर मैं चांस तो दूंगी नहीं। लेफ्ट हो गया। अजय, नो रिस्पॉन्स। ठीक है, मैं तो नोट कर लेती हूँ किसने माइक नहीं ओपन किया, बोलने पे भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया। ठीक है, मैं
मैम
पीटीएम में।
ऐश्वर्या आ गया क्लास पे।
हाँ, और थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेते, हो सकता है 2-3 बच्चे और ज्वाइन हो जाए। ओके, अक्षिता। यस
मैम।
बेटा।
यस मैम।
हाय रमेश।
Om Sri Sai Ram. I am reciting poem A Watering Rhyme. Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flower, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots. Flowers keep their mouths open where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth all around them, then through all the heat, flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Thank you. This poem is written by P.A. Ropes.
वेरी गुड। ओके अंशुमन, यू वांट टू रिसाइट? नो, कम ऑन अंशुमन।
Ma'am, early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. I'm done.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ओके, अमोलिका,
Yes,
आर
ma'am.
यू देयर?
Yes, ma'am.
यस।
Early in the morning or the evening are the time to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. Flowers have the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet.
वेरी गुड।
Sairam ma'am.
साईराम। ओके, अनन्या इज देयर? अनन्या,
Yes
आर यू
ma'am.
रेडी?
Yes ma'am.
ओके, यस, गो देन।
Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only make them high. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, they, they throw all the heat. The flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Thank you,
वेरी
Sairam.
गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ओके अनीश, आर यू रेडी? आर यू रेडी? टेल मी, आंसर मी अनीश।
मैम मुझे लास्ट में बोलने का मन कर रहा है।
हाँ, लास्ट
लास्ट
में
में
हमें पोयम देख के सुनाते हैं।
कौन सी पोम नहीं तो पोम देख कर क्यों सुनानी है, याद करके सुनानी है। आई टोल्ड यू टू लर्न द पोम।
यस मैम।
उसका रीजन बताया हुआ है मैंने, ठीक है। जब आप याद करके सुनाते हो इट इज मोर इफेक्टिव। जब आप रीड करते हो तो मैं रीडिंग टेस्ट थोड़ी ना दे रही हूँ, मैं तो रेसिटेशन दे रही हूँ ना बेटा। तो आप याद करके सुनाओगे तो आपके एक्सप्रेशंस, आपके जेस्चर्स अपने आप चलते हैं। लेकिन अगर आप रीड करते हो तो रीडिंग जैसा हो जाता है, उसमें सिर्फ प्रोनाउंसिएशन और फ्लुएंसी चेक हो पाती है, आपके एक्सप्रेशंस बहुत कम आते हैं फिर। ठीक है, अनीश को याद नहीं है? ओके, कितने आ गए? 24 आर देयर। Shall I send Google form now? It is already 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. You can send. Yes, ma'am. You can send the Google form.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You are sent Google form.
Ma'am, can I tell the poem?
Yes, beta, afterwards, okay? It will hardly take 5 minutes. You will take hardly 5 minutes to complete your Google form. Not more than that. It is 9:40 now. Okay? It is going to be 9:40. At 45, I am going to close the responses. Got it? सिर्फ 5 मिनट दूंगी, 5 मिनट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट बेटा।
Okay, ma'am.
ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Time start.
got it?
Ma'am, I got the link. Ma'am, I got the link.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also
Okay,
got the
open
link.
your, fill the form. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that email ID correctly. Otherwise, you won't get responses or the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Marks you won't be able to see them. Very simple questions are there.
Yes, ma'am. Nine, five, nine. ऑप्शन दिया है नहीं।
Pronounce it and find it out. Pronounce it and find it
Ma'am,
out.
there is no option of name.
Yes, find it out. Pronounce it.
Ma'am,
Silently.
there is no option of name.
Okay, oh, I forgot. Then you all are writing your email IDs, no? No problem.
Yes,
at all.
ma'am.
No problem. I forgot.
मैम आप एक और बार गूगल फॉर्म भेज देंगी?
No option of name, beta,
Ma'am,
okay? But you all are filling your email ID,
Yes,
so that
ma'am.
will definitely go back to your email.
मैम आप एक और बार गूगल फॉर्म भेज देंगी?
Yes, yes.
मैम आप एक और बार गूगल
Sure,
फॉर्म भेज
sure.
देंगी?
Send. Already sent. Someone has left the meeting.
मैम नहीं आया.
नहीं आया? ऐसा कैसे हो
मैम
गया?
गूगल फॉर्म नहीं आया.
Now, have you received?
No मैम.
Huh? Beta, twice I sent. गूगल
No
फॉर्म तो
मैम.
आ गया होगा। नव्या को नहीं मिल रहा है। मैंने तो ये तीसरी बार, चौथी
No
बार
मैम.
भेज रही हूँ। आपके यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है बेटा कुछ?
मैम नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं तो आपके यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है।
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, मैंने 3 बार 4 बार भेज दिया, अभी 3 टाइम्स भेज दिया आपके कहने।
Mama,
Yes,
के
बेटा।
डाको.
Udita, completed?
यस मैम, आपने बहुत बार भेज दिया।
हाँ it is 43 now, 2 more minutes. Done, Udita, done.
यस मैम, आई
Yes,
हैव
मैं
डन द
नाम
गूगल
Okay,
लिंक।
good, fine.
मैम आई हैव डन द गूगल फॉर्म।
ऑप्शन में
Yes,
है
मैम आई
yes,
मेरे।
yes. Udita has done, yes.
मैम नेम का ऑप्शन में है
Chandani
मेरे।
has done. नेम का ऑप्शन है ही नहीं ना, अभी तो अक्षिता ने यही तो बोला, नेम का ऑप्शन नहीं है.
यस मैम।
But you all are writing email IDs, no? That will go back to your emails only. No problem at all. Don't worry about that.
आपने 4 बार भेज दिया, मैंने तो अभी देखा 4 बार।
तो 4 बार ही तो मांगा था किसने? नव्या ने बोला नहीं आया, नहीं आया, नहीं आया.
मैम मैंने तो अभी अभी देखा, मैं तो गूगल फॉर्म कर रही थी।
हाँ. Okay, Udita, yes. Last 1 minute. I close the responses then. Very good, Vartika, Anshuman done. Okay, Udita, Satvik,
मैम आप एक और
Shantanu.
बार भेज दीजिए मैम, मैंने एक बार ज्वाइन कट करके ज्वाइन किया है।
Fifth time.
मैम यू हैव गॉट माय रिस्पांस। अक्षता सिंह।
Hmm.
मैम ऐश्वर्या श्रीवास्तव डन।
Yeah,
मैम अक्षता सिंह।
very good, very good.
मैम आई पाटीदार गूगल फॉर्म।
Ma'am, can I speak the poem?
Ah, yes, beta, yes.
Early
Manasvi.
in the
Yes, yes, Riddhima.
early in the morning or the evening or the time to water every kind of flower. Watering in the noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only make them die. Also, when you water at the root, flower keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. Flower will have water for their thirsty feet. The poem written by Piero.
रिद्धिमा, कैमरा को क्या हो गया? आज सो गया है?
मैम मैम नव्या।
कहाँ था कैमरा आपका? हम्म?
मैम क्या मैं फिर से सुनाऊं?
बेटा, जब भी हम कुछ सुनाने का काम करते हैं ना, मेक श्योर योर कैमरा इज ऑन. अदरवाइज आप सोच कर भी बोल रहे हो ना, आप बिना देखे भी बोल रहे हो, व्हाट अदर्स विल थिंक दैट यू आर लुकिंग एट योर बुक और कॉपी और यू आर ट्राइंग टू read out. Okay, so if you wish later on you can speak out. Okay, I know you have learned. Yes, yes beta.
मैम कैन आई डिसाइड?
मैम अच्छा।
Just wait beta, just wait.
मैम कैन
No, no,
आई
no,
टेल अग्रवाल?
just wait, let me close the responses first. Okay, then I am coming back. Only 21 responses I have got. Those who have not given, I will mark them absent. ओके, आज वो एब्सेंट है. अब ये मत बोलना हम तो आए थे.
मैम अच्छा।
मैम मेरे पास तो फॉर्म ही नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए मैं नहीं कर पाई मैम।
कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम होगी ना बेटा, क्यों नहीं आया आपके पास? मैंने तो 6 टाइम्स भेज दिया गूगल फॉर्म.
यस मैम, मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगी मैम।
ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मैं
मैम आपने मेरा रिस्पांस देख लिया?
सभी के
अक्षता सिंह।
लिए, लेकिन अब
मैम ने मेरा देखा।
मैम आपने रिदम
मैम आपने बेटा का देखा?
यस यथार्थ.
मैम करना रिसेट।
जस्ट वेट यथार्थ, वेयर आर यू?
यस मैम।
हाँ, पोम, come on.
Early in the morning or the evening hour are the time to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high does not help of the flower, only make them die. Also, when you water at the root, flower keep their mouth where we should. Where our roots soak the earth around them, then all the third the flower will have will have
कोई बात नहीं, वेल डन। बस मुझे एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि यथार्थ यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं है। हाँ, यू शुड वेयर योर यूनिफॉर्म। नो,
मैम
जस्ट
मैम
वेट
मैं
बेटा।
बोलूं? मैम
यशस्वी,
संगीत, मैम कैन आई
यशस्वी,
टेल?
Ma'am, can I?
yes,
Ma'am, can
just
you
wait,
hear
wait.
that?
मैम
Still time is there. Just
चलो
Recite the poem.
I'm asking one by one, beta. Just wait. Yashashvi is not there. Vinamra, Vinamra.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Supporting rhyme. Early in the morning
No,
or the
no.
evening hour,
Vinamra,
water.
open your camera
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
Vinamra, open up your camera. Camera
Ma'am,
on.
camera open it.
आप दिख क्यों नहीं रहे? चलो बोलो. Yes, start again.
Early in the morning or the evening hour are the time to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday. When the sun is high, doesn't help the flower, only make them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flower keep their mouth where our where we should
Should.
wear good. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. The flower will have water for their thirsty seed.
Okay, good. Kartika,
मैम
just
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Come on.
Early in the morning or the evening hour, to time to water every kind of flower. Watering at the noonday when the sun so high, turns the flower only make the dry. Also when you watering at the root, flower keep them out where sugar roots. So the earth around them, this was all have the flower will be water for their thirsty feet.
Very good. Yes. Udita.
Yes, ma'am. The watering
Mama,
rhyme.
practical.
Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at the noonday doesn't help the flower. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flower, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouth where should be, where our boots. Soak the earth around them. Then all through the heat, flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Written by P.A. Ropes.
Okay, very good. Well done. Suryansh is present? No. Sonam, yes. Come on, Sonam.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In that evening of that it's every kid
कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा, कैमरा ऑन करो। सोनम,
Monday.
सोनम
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा ऑन करो, कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा। सोनम, जस्ट ओपन अप योर कैमरा।
Where
यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं बैठे हो आप। हाँ, चलो बोलो, आप बोलो।
help the flower. Them also when you water at the roots.
तो इनकम्प्लीट
Flowers keep
है।
their where.
मैं वापस आऊंगी आपके पास, आपने प्रॉपरली नहीं सुना है सोनम। ओके, आई आस्क यू अगेन। शांतनु, कम ऑन। शांतनु, वेयर आर यू शांतनु? शांतनु, open your mic and answer me. Where are you? Yes.
Early in the morning
Open your
or
camera
the
too.
evening hour.
शांतनु, कैमरा ऑन करो। कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा।
When my camera is on.
Your camera is on. I can't see you बेटा। Only
मैम
S
मेरा
is
नेटवर्क
appearing on my screen.
शांतनु का कैमरा नहीं ऑन है मैम।
उसका नहीं है और
योर्स
S is appearing.
उसका नहीं ऑन है।
मैं कैमरा का
Shanu's camera is not on.
योर्स
network.
तो शांतनु's camera is not open.
शांतनु's camera is
Not open.
मैम लेफ्ट होके फिर से
शांतनु, try it again बेटा। कैमरा पे क्लिक करो, जरा देखो। आपकी पिक्चर मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, केवल S दिखाई दे रहा है।
मैम ब्लू सर्कल में ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा
मैम
अब इसके नीचे
मैम
शांतनु
Yes, ma'am. Blue side.
मैम मैं लेफ्ट करके फिर से ज्वाइन करके देखता हूँ, शायद हो जाए।
ओके ओके बेटा, है ना? आ जाओ, जल्दी से आ जाओ। तब तक मैं दूसरे से पूछती हूँ। संकेत, आर यू देयर बेटा? संकेत, संकेत।
Yes, ma'am.
यस बेटा, कम ऑन।
Early in the morning or the evening hours are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flower keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. The flowers will have water for their thirsty feet.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन, गुड। नेक्स्ट इज समर। आर यू देयर समर? ओके, शांतनु आ गया।
मैम
तो
नाउ
समर
आई
के
एम
बाद
विजिबल।
शांतनु, शांतनु जस्ट वेट। हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है। समर, कैन यू वेट बेटा? लेट शांतनु रिसाइट हिज पोम। ओके, शांतनु, कम ऑन। हाँ,
Early in the morning or the evening hour are the time to water every kind of flower. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only make them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, the flowers will have water. नहीं, एक लाइन छूट गई. Then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet.
ओके, गुड। यस समर, हरी अप बेटा। हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
May
Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then throw all the heat. The flowers will have water or their thirsty feet.
शांतनु, आर यू समर, आर यू रीडिंग बेटा? हैव यू लर्न द पोम? टेल मी। जरा कैमरा अपने चेहरे पे दिखाओ। हाँ, यस, आप रीड कर रहे थे कि सुना रहे थे? जस्ट टेल मी, बी
मैम
ऑनेस्ट।
रीड।
हाँ बेटा, रीड नहीं करना था,
मैम
हमको तो याद करके सुनाना है। ओके, जरूरी थोड़ी ना आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि नहीं याद किया, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने याद नहीं किया है, तो हम मंडे को सुन लेंगे। ओके, ठीक है समर, याद करके सुनाना है बेटा।
यस मैम।
Satvik, are you there beta? How we learned the poem? Satvik, Satvik, where are you Satvik?
Ma'am, you will listen our speech.
Huh? If time permit, I'll ask you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Satvik,
मैम
no
बुक
answer Satvik. Okay. Riddhima has recited her poem, no? हाँ, yes. Coming
यस
to
मैम।
Navya.
Yes, ma'am.
Navya,
A watering rhyme. Early in the morning. Yes, ma'am. A watering rhyme. Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't tell the flowers, only make them die. So when you water at the roots, flowers keep their roots where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will water for their trusty feet. Written by Peace.
written by. Okay, good. Coming to next, Manasvi. Yes, Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
A watering rhyme. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flowers. Watering at noonday when the sun is very high. When the sun is high, does does not help the flowers, only make them dry. So when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Smoke the earth around them so all the hurt. Them flowers will have water for their thirsty feet.
okay, good. Now Hitansh. Hitansh. Yes, Hitansh. Hitansh is there, no? Hitansh, where are you? Okay, no answer.
Mitansh is in the meeting.
Yeah, he is in the meeting, but he is not answering me. Okay, come on, Durva. Are you ready?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, what is happening in Manasvi's screen?
Manasvi screen. Ah, curtain.
Ma'am, I can see your photo and something else also.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Ma'am,
Manasvi. हाँ. Yes, Durva. Durva, are you ready, beta?
मैम मैं आउट ऑफ स्टेशन हूँ, तो फिर मैं कल ही आई थी, तो फिर मैं सारी एक्टिविटीज कर रही थी, तो फिर मैं आपको आज याद करके कल सुना दूंगी।
हाँ, कल तो किसको सुनाओगे? कल इंग्लिश का पीरियड नहीं है। चलो, ओके ओके,
मंडे को।
नेक्स्ट वीक बेटा। ओके, अथर्व।
यस मैम।
अथर्व बेटा, अथर्व।
यस मैम।
हाँ, यस बेटा।
यस मैम। Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only make them die. Mm. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Then through then through all the heat, the flowers will have water to. मैम मेरी बुक मैम मैं जब बुक में से ये याद कर रहा था तब मेरी बुक में यहाँ पे आगे ही लिखा था उसके फ्लावर विल हैव वाटर के बाद मैम मैम वाटर तक ही लिखा है
Okay, no problem. Let it be. चलो.
मैम आई एम नॉट सीइंग
Let it be better, no problem at all. Good. Come on. Now, so we have done with this also. Only 3-4 students are remaining. Those who have not learned, so we'll be doing this recitation on Monday also. Okay. For 3-4 students. Otherwise, we'll be starting with the story. Okay. The giving drill. Okay. Would you like to watch this story?
मैम आज ही आप स्टोरी करवा दीजिए. मैंने लिखा
मैम व्हाट स्टोरी
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैंने स्टोरी लिख
मैम जो आपने एक्टिविटी
Ma'am, I have given the story.
Okay. Akshita is ready with the speech. Okay. Akshita wanted to share her. Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am,
कर चुकी है.
I want to say.
Okay, Advika. Afterwards. Okay, after Akshita. Yes, Akshita, come on.
Yes, ma'am. Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is Akshita Singh. I am telling a speech. The title of my speech is Why It Is Important to Protect Flowers and Plants and How Can I Protect Endangered Plants. Our world is made beautiful by plants. We see plants everywhere. Plants keep our surrounding fresh. Plants are our friends because they are useful to us in many ways, like they give us oxygen which we need for living. We get grains, pulses, food, etc. from plants. They give us oil for cooking. They give us flowers for decoration and worship. We get paper from plants for making notebooks. It is important to protect flowers and plants because they give us oxygen which is necessary for living. They give us oil for cooking. We get paper from plants for making books. They give us flower for decorations in party halls and in weddings. We get flowers from plants for making perfumes. Plants stop soil erosions and landslides. We get grains, pearls, food, etc. from them. The ways by I can protect endangered plants. I will water the plants regularly. I will put the plants in airy place and where the sunlight comes properly. I will protect it from grazing by fencing around them. Thank you.
Okay. Big clap. Good. Yes, who else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Advika has prepared.
Advika.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have prepared a story.
No problem. Come on.
मैम मैं सुना सकती हूँ अद्विका की बात.
Ma'am, I can.
Because
Ma'am,
time
I-
is not. Advita. 3-4
इसके बाद.
Yes.
Yeah,
Advita. Start.
Yes, ma'am. There was a banyan tree of 100 years old on Abbey Road near Gale Colony. Children used to play with its long hanging roots and its big roots with its long hanging roots gave shelter to travelers travelers, and tea seller, etc. People used to wait autos and buses under the shade of this banyan tree. On AB Road, government decided to expand the size of AB Road, but that banyan tree was coming in newly suggested road. So government decided to cut the banyan tree. But many people did not wanted to cut the banyan tree because it was very useful for many people. So myself, my friends, some people went to government office with the request of not cut the cut, to not cut the said banyan tree. We suggested a new option to take the road from the side of the banyan tree. So government agreed our suggestion and took the road from the side of the banyan tree. Thus we saved the banyan tree. Save tree, save life.
Wow.
Ma'am, my chance. Ma'am,
Just wait. Advita? Yes.
Ma'am,
After
ma'am,
Manasvi, okay?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Advita.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Advita Nitin Munje. I study in class 4B. I am telling a story about a danger plant. Last year, I planted a plant in my garden. I daily watered and took care of it. Sooner the plant started growing and become healthy. After few days, I got busy in my study. One day, I was sitting in my garden and I heard a voice of a plant that I planted. It was saying that you have planted me, but I daily need water, manure, sunlight for my survival. I am in danger now. Sooner I am going to die. If this situation remains same. I heard story of plants. I got shocked and worried. I realized my mistake, and from that day I started taking care of plants. Soon it started growing and become healthy. I understood that no trees means no life. Thank you.
Wow. Good. Very good.
ma'am,
See, if you all learn these stories and then you can make your videos and send it on my personal window, then it will be, means I may post it in other classes or in other groups or in our YouTube channel, school YouTube
Okay,
channel.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have to send. Ma'am, I have to send Akshita
Huh.
Singh. Ma'am, can I
Okay.
send?
You send it on my personal window, then I will forward it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
on this topic, or you have
No,
told that we have to tell out a poem on nature.
Anything. You can that video also Akshita has already sent it to me. Okay. So you
Okay,
can do
ma'am.
this also. You can do you can make video of your this imaginative story and the speech you have prepared for. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I like,
ma'am, मैं
I'll
बोलूं?
forward it. Yes, Manasvi, come on.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
one day I wake at 6 o'clock in the morning. After bathing, I go to market with my bicycle. I saw a little banana tree on the field. The plant leaf have yellow in color and the stem is very weak because it is too hot. One at
Ma'am, Manasvi's screen is not visible.
Manasvi,
Ma'am,
not
it's
able to
okay.
see your
Ma'am, Manasvi's voice is not coming.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
your voice is
मैम
not
उसकी
coming
स्क्रीन
clear.
भी
We are not
सही से
able
नहीं
to
आ
hear.
रही है
Okay.
मैम देर आर Colorful lines and black.
White curtains, no?
Yes, ma'am. Colorful.
No problem, Manasvi. We'll do next time. Manasvi will do next time. It is already 10:13. Okay. So just
Okay, ma'am.
be ready
Excuse
for
me,
the
ma'am.
next time. Yes, beta.
मैम लेटर वो मैं सुन नहीं पाई थी, तो आप फिर से बता दो क्या वो याद करना है।
क्या याद करना मतलब? किसमें क्या याद करना बेटा?
अभी आपने
कल आप क्लास में आए
अभी
थे?
आपने
पूर्वा, कल क्लास में आए थे क्या? कल क्लास में
यस
क्या?
मैम।
कल थे ना आप क्लास में? तो
नो
हमने
मैम।
तो लास्ट में 2 क्वेश्चन दिए थे ना, बुक के क्वेश्चन है 2, एक स्पीच और एक एक्टिविटी, उसमें से कोई एक करना है बेटा। ओके, यू हैव टू
यस मैम।
एनी वन आउट ऑफ इट. What is the
यस
topic?
मैम।
Atharva, topic is there in the book itself. Atharva, topic is given in the book itself. Okay, go through the topic in the last page of the exercise. Got it? And if you will not able to understand, then ask me again. Call me. Okay, I'll tell you. Or send message in my personal window. Okay, beta? Find it out. It is there in the book. The topics are given there in the book, in the exercise. Okay, let's do Shanti part, beta. Come on. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, ma'am, and thank you.
Sai Ram. Sai Ram.
Sairam ma'am.
सायरा मैम।
Sairam ma'am. Bye